Start.
Now today we start our new article, that is friction. So what is mean by friction? First we study. Suppose we take a plane surface here. On that plane surface, if we take a block of wood, here one end of that block is tied to the thread, and this thread is kept on the pulley. Suppose we hang a pan here. Then what is mean by friction? Friction means when two bodies are in contact. Two bodies are in contact with each other, there is a force. That force which opposes the relative motion between two surfaces in contact. That opposing force is called as force of friction. Now there are three types of friction. First type is called as static friction. So what is meant by static friction? So static friction means the friction force which balances applied force. Suppose we keep here 10 kg in the pan. What happens? Just the block moves. That means when the block is tending to slide over the other, that type of friction is called as static friction. There is another type of friction. So second type is called as kinetic friction. If we increase the weight in the pan, suppose we kept here 20 gram weight in the pan, what happens? The block moves or the sliding over the other in a motion. So that type of friction is called as kinetic friction. Now there is a third type of friction. Suppose we take a round, we take a coin, or suppose we take this slotted weight. When this slotted weight is rolling over the other, so that type of friction or that type of friction is called as rolling friction. When one body is rolled over the other. So these are the three types of friction. Now we see theoretically. So we study theoretically what is meant by friction. So friction is defined as the property of which resists the relative motion between two surfaces in contact is called friction. When one body is kept on another body, this body tend to slide over the other, so that type is called as friction. When we are walking on the ground, there is a friction between our feet and ground. Due to friction, we are able to walk on the ground. So that is the example of friction in our daily life. Now there are types of friction. First type is called as static friction. So what is meant by static friction? It is the frictional force which balances the applied force when the body is in static or at rest. So that is called as force of static friction, and it prevents the sliding motion. When body just tend to move over the other, so that type of friction is called as static friction. Now second type is called as kinetic or dynamic friction. So what is meant by kinetic or dynamic? That is the friction between two surfaces in contact when one body is actually sliding over the other. That friction is called as kinetic or dynamic friction. Now third type is called as rolling. Suppose we take there the body like that coin or that slotted weight. When this body is rolled on the ground, that is the friction between two bodies in contact when one body is rolling over the other, so that is called as rolling friction. Here ball bearings are used to reduce friction in parts of machine to increase its efficiency. So we see ball bearings are used in the fan. After that we studied